Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you will be doing well. This is your host Danish Ahmad with the channel Lemon Tricks. Lemon Tricks is a 25% charity oriented channel. So guys, please subscribe the channel to take part in the charity by only subscribing the channel. So guys, come on, so let's move towards our today's topic. Our today's topic is how to select a career or profession. In our today's topic, we are going to discuss certain steps which are measures to achieve a perfect career. The first step amongst the hierarchy is assess yourself. Before choosing the right career, you must learn about yourself, your values, interests, soft skills, and aptitudes. In combination with your personality type, make some occupation a good fit for you and others completely inappropriate. Use self assessment tools and career tests to gather information about you and your traits and subsequently generate a list of occupations that are good fit based on them. Some people choose to work with career counselor or other career development professionals who can help them to navigate this process. Number second, make a list of occupations to explore. You probably have multiple lists of occupation in front of you at this point. To keep yourself organized, you should combine them into one master list. First, look for careers that appear on multiple lists and copy them onto a blank page. Title it Occupations to Explore. Your self assessment indicated they are good fit for you based on several of your traits, so they are definitely worth exploring. Next, find any occupation on your list that appeals to you. There may be careers you know a bit about and want to explore further. Number 3, explore the occupations on your list. At this point, you will be thrilled you managed to narrow your list down to only 10 to 20 options. Now you can get some basic information about each of the occupations on your list. Find job description and education training and licensing requirement in published sources. Learn about advancement opportunities. Use government produced labor market information to get data about earning and job outlook. Number 4, create a shortlist. Now you have more information. Start to narrow down your list even further. Based on what you learned from your research so far, begin eliminating the careers you don't want to pursue any further. You should end up with 2 to 5 occupations on your shortlist. If your reasons for finding a career unacceptable or non negotiable, cross it off your list. Remove everything with duties that don't appeal to you. Eliminate careers that have weak job outlooks. Get rid of any occupation if you are unable or unwilling to fulfill educational or other requirements, or if you lack some of the soft skills necessary to succeed in it. Number 5, conduct informational interviews. When you have only a few occupations left on your list, start doing more in depth research. Arrange to meet with the people who work in the occupation in which you are interested. They can provide first hand knowledge about the careers on your shortlist. Access your network, including LinkedIn, to find people with whom to have these information interviews. Number 6, make your career choice. Finally, after doing all your research, you are probably ready to make your choice. Pick the occupation that you think will bring you the most satisfaction based on all the information you have gathered. Realize that you are allowed do-overs if you change your mind about your choice at any point in your life. And remember, many people change their careers at least few times, so don't worry about it. Number 7 amongst the hierarchy is identify your goals. Once you make a decision, identify your long-term and short-term goals. This helps to chart a course towards eventually landing work in your chosen field. Long-term goals typically take about 3 to 5 years to reach, while you can usually fulfill short-term goals in 6 months to 3 years. Let the research you did about requirement, education, and training be your guide. If you don't have all the details, do some more research. Once you have all the information you need, set your goals An example of long-term goal will be completing your education and training. Short-term goals include applying to college, apprenticeship, other training programs, and internships. Number 8. Write a career action plan. Put together a career action plan, a written document that lays out all the steps you will have to take to reach your goals. Think of it as roadmap that will take you from point A to B, then to C and D. Write down all your short and long term goals and the steps you will have to take to reach each one. Include any anticipated barriers that could get in the way of achieving your goals and the way you can overcome them. This may sound like a lot of work, and it is, but it's much easier to forget a career path when you know what you want. Taking these steps early will save you a lot of struggle and uncertainty in the long run. So guys, that's all for today. If you find my video very helpful, so please subscribe my channel and push the bell icon, and please watch my videos so that you can take part in charity, as it is a charity oriented channel. So you will take part in charity by only watching the videos and subscribing my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.